Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will guide you difference between users and group. So first, once you log in your firewall, then just go in the peoples. You can find users like this. If you create group like this, you can see I have create multiple groups, but you can create as per requirement which group is needed. I have created admin group, administrator group, general group. So in my organization there are multiple types of users. Some of user are admin level group, some of user are administrators, some of user generals. So each group having different policies. So if you are creating policies for your organization structures, then you need to follow like this. You can create types of group which users belong to which group. So you can create, and then after that you can create policy for different group and for different policies. So if you looking for in your organization structures way, then please follow these steps. And if you creating group wise policies, then it will always help you, and you can your administrator level policies and your admin level policy and group level policy will assign perfectly. Please create like this group and don't go with manual adding. You can create group like this. If any users belong to admin group, then you can add edit here, and you can add like this users belong to admin level, then you can move here and you can save here. If required, no, oh, this user is not belong to admin, then you can again back here and then save here. So you can create like this policy, and hope you will understand what I am trying to say. If required anything help regarding to creating group, please contact me. I will definitely help you. But if you looking for organization structures, then you follow group wise policy, because in your organization there are multiple types of users: admin, journal, staff, admin, administrator, vice president level. Then you can create multiple types of group. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you need any help, please contact me. I will definitely help you. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.